ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮುಂಜಾನೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 3 ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸೋಣ. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬಸವ ಪಂಚಮಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಅದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಸವಣ್ಣನ ವಚನ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸೋಣ. ನೀರ ಕಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಳುಗುವರಯ್ಯ, ಮರವ ಕಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸುತ್ತುವರಯ್ಯ, ಬತ್ತುವ ಜಲವ ಒಣಗುವ ಮರವ, ಮೆಚ್ಚಿದವರು ನಿಮ್ಮನೆತ್ತ ಬಲ್ಲರಯ್ಯ, ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Chapter 3 numbers. In earlier classes, we have studied about the basic things, that it may be solving the value of x and y using graphical method, substitution method, as well as elimination method. And also we have found about the value of k using intersecting lines, coincident or dependent lines, parallel lines. If it is intersecting line, number of solutions will be 1. If it is coincident or dependent lines, number of solutions will be infinitely many solutions. If it is parallel lines, the number of solutions will be no, there will not be any type of a solution. So the continuation of this chapter, very important concept, word problems. In word problems, we will be dividing the type 1 into type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, type 5. In the total type 6 will be there. In type 1, application of problems based on articles and cost. Now, first question is, a coach of cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. They are saying that a coach of cricket team is buying how many bats? 7 bats. For example, I am considering, I am consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, for bat I am considering it as x. Bat ಗೆ ನಾನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ x. For bat I am considered as x. For balls, batting x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಾಲಿಗೆ y ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. और ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ the coach of cricket team buys 7 bats. 7 bats ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 7 bat ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ? x. 7 bat plus 6 balls ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 balls ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 balls ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 5. 4 rupees ಎಷ್ಟು? 7 ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮತ್ತು 6 ಬಾಲ್ ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ? 3,800. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರು ಶಾಪ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 3 ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮತ್ತು 5 ಬಾಲ್ ತರ್ತಾರೆ. 3 ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್, he buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. 3 ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3x plus 5 balls ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5y equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿಸ್ ತರ್ತಾನೆ? 1,750. Equation number 2. Find the cost of each bat and ball. Find the cost of bat ಅಂದ್ರೆ x value ಮತ್ತು y value find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now, is the equation in standard form? Yes, it is in the standard form. Now we can solve this method using elimination of substitution method. In these word problems, I will be just making you to solve the equations. Further part you need to solve by yourself. Only this question I will solve the value of x and y. All the further questions you need to solve by yourself. I will just make you to find how to find the equations. Now, cross multiply the coefficient of x or coefficient of y. ಇಲ್ಲ coefficient x cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವಾಗ coefficient ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x value ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Cross multiply means 3 here 7 here. 3 7s are 21x plus 18y equal to 3,800 into 3 300 11400. Now next 21x 35y equal to 7 3 21x plus 18y equal to 11400. Here also same, 21x plus 7 5 35y equal to 1750 into 7 will be 12250. After cancellation, 21x minus 21x is 0. 18y minus 35y will be minus 17y equal to minus 850. Minus minus get cancelled. 17y equal to 50. Now, if y is 50, substitute in any one of the equation, I will get x value. And substituting the y value in equation number 1, 7x plus 6 into y value is 50 equal to 3,800. 7x plus 6 5 is 30, that is 300. 3,800 minus 300 will be 3,500. 7 ones are 7 5 are x equal to 500. Therefore ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಗ x 500. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ 500 ಮತ್ತು y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು 50. Cost of each bat is 500. Cost of each ball is 50 rupees. We need to write up. The next question is, a lending library has a fixed charge for first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Kiran paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Akash paid rupees 21 for the book he kept for 5 days. Full stop. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. NCERT question. The question is, one library is there. In that library there is one fixed charge and one variable charge. Variable charge means for any extra days, if you are saying, if you are taking, then it will be a variable charge. Listen here. Fixed charge for first 3 days. Fixed charge ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಆಗಿದೆ 3 days fixed charge. Let x denotes for fixed charge. Question only two types. One is fixed charge and additional charge. Fixed charge only ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು additional charge. Let y denotes for additional charge. Is it clear? x ಏನಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ x ಅಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಗೆ y ಅಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಡೇಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಡೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂತೆ. 3 ಡೇಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು x, ಮತ್ತೆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ y ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. 3 ಡೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಗೆ 3x, ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ y ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, Kiran paid rupees 27 for book kept for 7 days. ಕಿರಣ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, rupees 27. ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು, 7 days ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ in 7 days 3 days will be fixed charge, other 4 days will be variable charge. That is 3x plus 4y equal to 27. Total 7 days book ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. That is 4 plus 3 is 7. In that 7 days 3 days will be fixed charge and other 4 days will be a variable charge. Total amount he paid is rupees 27. It is your equation number 1. Now according to question, while Akash paid rupees 21 for the book he kept for 5 days. Akash ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಅವನು, rupees 21. ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, 5 days. In that 5 days 3 days will be fixed charge, 2 days will be variable charge. 3x plus 2y equal to rupees 21. Is it clear? Kiran paid 7 days for rupees 27. Akash paid 5 days for rupees 21. In that 7 days 3 days will be fixed, 4 days will be variable. Here 3 days will be fixed, 2 days will be variable. Now you need to solve equation 1 and 2 using elimination or substitution method. One trick I will explain. Whenever coefficient of x is same or coefficient of y is same, just you need to subtract the terms. No need to interchange the coefficient of x or y. Here you can direct cancellation, then x and y value you will get. Solve by yourself. Next word problem, type 2, application of problems. Application of problems based on numbers. In type 1 we have studied about application of problems based on articles and their past. In type 2 we will be studying about application of problems based on numbers. Half of the difference of two numbers is 2. The sum of the greater number and the twice the smaller number is 13. Find the numbers. CBSE 2023 question. In this question they are talking about two numbers, but I don't know what numbers. are these. Let I am considering the numbers with I am taking numbers as x and y. I don't know what type of numbers are these. So I am taking one number as x, one number as y. You can take one number as a, one number as b also. Any variable you can consider. Now, according to question, half of the difference of the two numbers is 2. Difference of two numbers is 2 means what? First, what is the difference of two numbers? Difference with what? Subtraction. Difference means a subtraction. Difference of two numbers difference. Let the numbers be x. One number is x, other number is y. Then difference will be x minus y. Difference will be x minus y. That is x is greater than y. One number is greater than y I am considering. Then half of the difference means what? This is your half. Half of the difference of two number is 2. Half of the difference of two number is 2. Difference means my subtraction x minus y divided by 2 equal to 2. Then x minus y equal to 4. This is your equation number 1. Now, according to question, sum of the greater number. What is our greater number? X. Sum means what? Plus. Sum of the greater number means x. And the twice the smaller number. Twice means we will be considering it as 2 into. Twice the smaller number. What is the smaller number? Y. Is 13. That is x plus 2y equal to 13. Equation number 2. Sum means plus. Sum of the greater number. Greater number is x plus twice the smaller number. Twice means what? 2 into. Smaller number is y. Twice the smaller number is means what? Equal to symbol. Equal to 13. Then I will be taking it as x plus 2y equal to 13. First equation is x minus y equal to 4. Second equation is x plus 2y equal to 13. Now you can solve by using elimination or substitution method. Again, coefficient of x is same. Direct cancellation is possible. Then find the value of x and y. That is, find the numbers. Find the numbers. If you find x and y value, these will be your numbers. Now, important question. Question is related to 2-digit number. In earlier class, I explained whenever question is related to 2-digit number, first we need to write down unit digit equal to x, tens digit equal to y, unit digit x, tens digit y, number 2-digit number ny plus x, reverse number n x plus y, unit digit x number, tens digit y, 2-digit number under ny plus x, 2-digit reverse number or interchanging the places under 10x plus y. Whenever they are asking you reverse number or interchanging the places, I will be taking 10x plus y. Listen here. A 2-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits and twice the product of its digits. Full stop. Find the numbers. CBSE 2005 question. A 2-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits. What is our 2-digit number? 2-digit number is 10y plus x. 2-digit number is means what? Equal to symbol. A 2-digit number is equal to symbol. 4 times. 4 times means 4 into sum of its digits. Whenever they are talking about digits, you need to take digits. Whenever they are talking about the number, you need to take a number itself. 4 times the sum of its digits means sum means plus. What are our digits? One is x, other is y. Ny plus x equal to 4x plus 4y. Ny minus 4y plus x minus 4x equal to 0. 10y minus 4y is 6y. minus 3x equal to 0, 6y equal to 3x, then 3 ones are 3 twos are 2y equal to x. This is your equation number 1. 10y plus x equal to 4x plus 4y. Bring y and x here. 10y minus 4y, x minus 4x. 10 minus 4 is 6. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 6y equal to 3x. 3 ones are 3 twos are 2y equal to x. X value I got 2y. Again continue. A 2-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits. Now question is over. Next. And the twice of its digits. And the twice of its digits means a 2-digit number is also the twice of its digits. What is the 2-digit number again? 10y plus x is twice the product of its digit. Twice means what? 2 into. Product means multiplication. Product of its digits means what? X into y. A 2-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits. Also 2-digit number is twice the product of its digits. In Kannada we explain on 2-digit number ಯಾವ ತರ ಅದ ಅಂತಾರ 2-digit number 4 times the sum of its digits ನೋ ಅದ ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇ 2-digit number 2 times the products of its digits ನೋ ಅದ. So 10y plus x equal to 2xy. Then you can substitute x value is 2y. 10y plus 2y. 10y plus 2y equal to 2xy. 12y equal to 2xy. Y get cancels. 12 equal to 2x. X equal to 12 by 2. X equal to I got 6. If x is 6, substitute here. 2y equal to 6. Y equal to 6 by 2. Y equal to I got 3. Y value is 3. X value is 6. To find the number, our number is 10y plus x. 10 into what is y value? 3 plus 6. 30 plus 6 is 36 is our number. Let me explain. 2-digit number is 4 times the sum of the digits, and 2-digit number is twice the product of its digits. After simplification, the number I got is 36. Next question. Again the problem is related to 2-digit number. Then I will be writing unit digit x, tens digit y, number 10y plus x, reverse number 10x plus y. ಯಾವಾಗ 2-digit ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ x ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ y ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಂಬರ್ 10y plus x, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 10x plus y ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ a 2-digit number is such that 2-digit number ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, the product of its digits. ನಾವು products digits product ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ? product of its digits is 20. a 2-digit number is such that products of its digits. products ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ? ಒಂದು x, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು y. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಈಗ? equal to 20. equation number 1. a 2-digit number is such that product of its digits is 20. ಎರಡು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 20. equation number 1. next, if 9 is added to the number, ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 10y plus x. ಹೇಳೋಣ 10y plus x. 10y plus x ಗೆ 9 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. if 9 is added to the number, then the digits interchange their places. ಈ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ 9 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಬೈ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಈ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ 9 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the digits interchange their places. In the other class I explained, whenever they are saying you reverse number or the digits interchange their places means you need to take 10x plus y. 10x plus y. Now this will be your xy equal to 20. 10y plus x minus 10x minus y equal to minus 9. 9y minus 9x equal to minus 9. 9x minus 9y equal to 9. Equation number 2. Once more I will explain. A two-digit number is such that the product of its digits is 20. Product means what? Multiplication. What are the digits? One is x, one is y. Product means multiplication. When I multiply x and y, I will get 20. It is your equation number 1. In the second part, if 9 is added to the number, what is our number? 10y plus x. If I add 10y plus x to 9, then the digits interchange their places. If I add 9 to the number, then the digits interchange their places. That is 10x plus y. After solving, your equation 2 will be 9x minus 9y equal to 9. Here take minus common, then equation will be 9x minus 9y equal to 9. Again you can solve 9 ones are 9 ones are 9 ones are. X minus y equal to 1. Taking it as equation number 2. Then you can easily find the value of x and y and you will get the given number. Type 3, application of problems based on fractions. Fraction under ಏನು first? Fraction under 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is fraction? Yes. 3 by 5 is fraction. 2 by 1, 3 by 8. All these are fractions. This can be written in the form of a by b. This can be written in the form of a by b, where b not equal to 0. Let what type of fraction it is, I don't know. So I am considering numerator as x, denominator as y. Numerator ಗೆ x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, denominator ಗೆ y ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? x divided by y. This is our fraction. If you substitute x value as 1, y value as 2, then 1 by 2. If you substitute x value as 2, y value as 3, then 2 by 3. This will be your fraction. Now continue the question. The fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 2 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 2 when 1 is subtracted from the denominator. Full stop. Find the fraction. CBSE 2019 question. Fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 2 is subtracted from the numerator. This is your part 1. According to question, what is our fraction? Our fraction is x by y. Our fraction is x by y. The fraction becomes 1 by 3. Fraction ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Our fraction will become 1 by 3 when 2 is subtracted from the numerator. Numerator ಯಾವುದು? x. x ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 subtraction ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ x minus 2. What is our fraction? X by y is our fraction. It will become 1 by 3 when xy will become 1 by 3 when 2 is subtracted from the numerator. Then x minus 2 divided by y equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiply. 3x minus 6 equal to y. 3x minus y equal to 6. Equation number 1. Again, continue the question. According to question, and it becomes under fraction. Fraction will become 1 by 2. What is our fraction? X by y is our fraction. It will become 1 by 2. Fraction will become 1 by 2 when 1 is subtracted from the denominator. When 1 is subtracted from the denominator. Denominator only 1 subtraction ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ fraction 1 by 2. Then cross multiply. 2x equal to y minus 1. 2x minus y equal to minus 1. Equation number 2. Solve equation 1 and 2 using elimination of substitution method. You will get the value of x and y. Then find the fraction. You need to substitute x value, substitute y value, you will get the fraction. Let me explain you one more time. Whenever the question is related to the fraction, you need to take x by y, a by b, but b should not be equal to 0. A fraction becomes 1 by 3. What is our fraction? X by y is our fraction. It will become means what? Equal to. It will become 1 by 3. Fraction will become 1 by 3 when 2 is subtracted from the numerator. What is numerator? X. Subtraction under minus 2. And 2 is subtracted from the numerator, it will become 1 by 3. And it becomes 1 by 2 it becomes 1 by 2. Fraction will become 1 by 2 when 1 is subtracted from the denominator. If you subtract 1 from the denominator, it will become 1 by 2. Solve equation 1 and equation 2 using elimination of substitution method. You will get the value of x and y. Again, the question is related to the fraction. Let us read the question. The sum of numerator and denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. If the number and the numerator and denominator are increased by 3, they are in the ratio, then they are in the ratio 2:3. Determine the fraction. Repeated question, CBSE 2001 and CBSE 2010. Listen here. Whenever the question is related to a fraction, I will be taking it as numerator as x, denominator as y. Then our fraction will be x by y. This is fixed. The sum of numerator and the denominator. What do you mean by sum? Sum means plus. Sum of numerator means what? X. Denominator means y. Sum of numerator and denominator of a fraction is means equal to symbol. 4 more than means 4 plus. 4 more than twice the numerator. Twice the numerator means 2 into what is numerator? X. That is x plus y equal to 4 plus 2x. X minus 2x plus y equal to 4 minus x plus y equal to 4. Equation number 1. Let me explain one more point. The sum of numerator that is x plus and the denominator y. When I sum both the numerator and denominator or fraction of a fraction is when I add numerator and denominator of a fraction is 4 more than. 4 more than means what? 4 plus. More than we need to take 4 plus twice the numerator. Twice means 2 into what is the numerator? X. Again equation will be minus x plus y equal to 4. Equation number 1. Now continue the question. If the numerator and denominator are increased by 3. If the numerator, what is our numerator? X. What is our denominator? Y. If the numerator and denominator is increased by 3, increased means plus or increased by 3, then what will happen? Then they are in the ratio 2:3. When I add 3 to the numerator and add 3 to the denominator, a fraction will become 2:3. 2:3 means 2 by 3. Determine the fraction. Cross multiply. 3x plus 9 equal to 2y plus 6. 3x minus 2y equal to 6 minus 9. 3x minus 2y equal to minus 3. Equation number 2. Now you can solve equation 1 and equation 2 using elimination of substitution method. You will get the value of x and y. If you substitute x, y and y, you will get the given fraction. Let me explain one more time. The sum of numerator and denominator of a fraction. What is our fraction? X by y is our fraction. When I add numerator and denominator of fraction, then I will get 4 more than twice the numerator. 4 means number 4 more than means plus. Twice means what? 2 into what is the numerator? X. Sum of numerator and denominator is 4 more than twice the numerator. After solving, you will get minus x plus y equal to 4. Equation number 1. Now next, if the numerator and denominator are increased by 3, if I increase the numerator, what is our numerator? X. What is our denominator? Y. If I increase x plus 3 divided by y plus 3, then they are in the ratio. Ratio means 2 divided by 3. X plus 3 divided by y plus 3 equal to 2 divided by 3. Now cross multiply, you will get 3x minus 2y equal to minus 3. Now you can solve equation 1 and 2 using elimination of substitution method. This session will end here. In the upcoming session, again I will be taking about age related question, that is will be a type 4, distance, speed, time. Type 5, miscellaneous will be your type 6. In the next part, it will complete your complete chapter. Thank you.